Hello guys, we're back to my video. So today we're going to play guys. Anyways guys, if you want to see more videos on channel, make sure to like, subscribe. So please subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna make a long video, okay? It made me stress. So anyways guys, please subscribe to my channel. So anyways guys, we're going to English again. I hate this game. I hate this game for a while. So I like this game for a while. So I like this game. But I hate these games anymore because I need to explore something else. So anyways guys, if you wanna see more videos on channel, subscribe to my channel. So please comment me, please comment and share. Please, okay? Okay? Okay. 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 So anyways guys, I'm gonna just do this anymore. So I'm gonna keep doing this. Wait, oh wait, I can't hear. Oh my gosh. I can't hear for now on. No reasonable guys. So we need to hide quickly somewhere else. Now someone gonna find us. Okay. So anyways guys, let's see this game. I like this game for a while, so anyways guys, I only got this 2 days ago. I don't know what it is. So guys, I'm not gonna make a long video, so no much see it, please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe, okay? Oh my goodness, we're going to what? No. Okay. Okay. So we're going to play game. They kind of ruin my purpose. This is my purpose. I don't know what about this. I don't know. What the heck? What just happened? My game is still lagging. What the heck? Is that a player dancing in a wild? What the heck? Dancing? You're dancing, huh? Wow! Dancing. Wow. I am a dancer. Because I'm very good at dancer. Okay, so I'm going to leave this game. Yes! So, they also run my pro posters. Okay, gonna make a long video, okay? So I know this, I'm going to just I don't know. Okay. Okay. What's it okay? Come on, we should do this, come on. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro. Please don't make me ruin my progress. No, I don't know. Please, okay. So I know guys, I'm going to get a bat and also the hammer and sure, just the bag guys. Okay, I don't know what it is, but I need to just get it, okay? So I need to get I don't know what it is. Okay, hammer, okay. Okay, I don't have a memory I think. I lose my thing, I don't know. I guess I don't know. Okay. I don't know. So we're going to see. What the heck? Come on. Oh my god. What is it? Okay, it's gonna be a decline. I don't know what it is. I don't really know, guys. I lost my different memory, I guess. I need to just build it, and also, I've gotta just get it, okay. Who just build it? Okay? Who built this? The player, I think it's... Who just build it? Yeah. Okay. So, okay. Soda. Kumag kita soda, there's so. Ano was this? Okay. Get the soda. Okay. What the heck are you? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You can't attack me, huh? Yeah, attack me, please. Oh my goodness. I'm going to talk about this game. So, anyways guys, this could be money up $3. Also, I'm going to get $3. I think the guess no. I think the guess no. Okay, so, no, so, oh heck man. Alright, okay. Okay, where's it? Okay. Trying to see about this my voice. The voicing thing. Where's the gap? No gap. Uh-huh. No gap. No. No gap. No. No. Okay. Alright. I want to see this. Okay. Alright. I need to kill the gap all of them. So, anyways guys, I have an idea. So, I'm not going to search the items that they play. So, anyways guys, I have a good idea ever. So, we need to get wait, I need to get items and we need to attack the guest guys. So I have a good idea. So we should just attack the guest guys. We should just attack the guest. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we need to just search items again. The heck? What just happened? It's not realistic. I just got it in a very long time. Okay. Like it's a very long time. It's a in the future I think it. Wait, I don't want this. I don't like this. Okay, so I don't care. I'm going to lose this. But I need to search items I think this. Okay, so we need to just get out of this. We need to get more others of this. Okay. So anyways guys, I need to what the heck? What's that? I need to see the items. What the heck? Let's go. Yes, money. Only got 500. Yes, 500. 500 is real. 500 is real. I need to go there. Like, I don't wanna see it again, okay? I just wanna see it, okay? So we're not going to see. I'm gonna see. Don't lagging, no lagging, okay? Okay. I'm gonna just see, okay? We're going to survive in day 5, I guess. I don't know. We need to survive in day 10, I guess. So, anyways guys, I'm not going to make a tower or something else. So, anyways guys, I know I'm going to search it. But, I like this game. I like this game for a while, okay? What's that? Is that cool? What I think is? But this annoying players, there's some point of this video. So this annoying player sucks in this game. So I like this game for a while. This is because he left. He's lazy, but I don't like him. I don't like it anymore. Oh. You get out of here. Hey, you get huh? No to get, no. 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 Oh, huh? You trying me? You trying to attack me, huh? Oh, guys, I don't like this. I like this. I like this at all. Okay. You trying me? I will show you, guys. I'll show you. This. Yeah, no, drink it. Also, you are going to attack you, guys. Ow! Ooh. Huh? Oh no. Oh no. No. I should gonna get medkit, I guess, something else. I should just get go quickly. Oh my goodness! Oh my god. Come on, go. Come on, please. Come on, get to it. Okay, come on. We should just go inside. So we need to survive. Only I can hide there. Only I can hide there in a safe spot, I guess. Yeah, I'm just playing Gef. What the heck is wrong with this guy? And also the girl. We're talking about this Gef of the new video of this game called Gef in 2024 in the future. What the heck, man? Okay. Okay, this could be the funny video. But I need to just get it. Okay, get my attacking. Why? Why is that happening to me? What the heck, man? What are you doing? What are you saying? What? There one of this game. I will gonna attack you, Gef. What the heck is wrong with you, Gef? What the heck? Okay. So I will to attack you, Gef, guys. Gef, what are you doing? Come here. Stop. Come on. Come here. Get Gef. Come on. Heck, there's so many guys. Go, 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 go. Go! I should go, 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 go. Please go, go, go. Oh my goodness, there's two. Where? How many guys do I have? How many guys do I have? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Come on, attack me. Attack me first. Ow. Look at me. Ow! Ah! I can't see. What the heck?
Why not paint him?
Oh my goodness, what the heck? It's gonna be a beautiful damage. It kinda looks like a beautiful damage. What the heck? Okay. 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 We need to just remove it. I don't want this. Heck, okay. Board, I need to board the house, okay? So we need to clear the house. So the might get attacked, okay? So I need to get safe around there because of this game. So now I'm going to just get, I don't know how to do this. I need to get safe, okay? Look at this way. It's gonna be December. It's gonna be December, I think. It's the big day of this episode, Jeff. So, and if there's this increase in my channel, also this. Para sa mga videos na siya. Subscribe na siya. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Ah! No, 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 no! 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 Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Jeff! The guy looks like my dad! Oh my goodness! They also ruined my purpose of my progress. My progress, I think is. No! No, I don't like this. Give me the healing. Give me the healing. What the heck is wrong with this game? Bruh, if I just board it, I saw it from guests and they just attacked me and also they just bite me and somewhere else. You know, breakfast I think it made me scared. I just made me scared, I guess. It made me shocked. And just I see the blood on my feet, on my on my thing. I guess. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, go, 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 go. Please. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Please, please. Oh my goodness. You're trying it. Oh my god. I hate this game. Please. I hate this. Bro, so, my questions are mean. Because this could be the hateful. Bro, I'm lagging. You know what? Ow. Bro, what the heck? What's this wrong with this game? I'm so lagging. I'm so lagging. What the heck? What the heck is wrong with this game? Okay, so, anyways guys, I'm now going to continue boarding as something else. Well, I need to continue boarding. What is the point of this game? What the heck? What is open? What the heck? Who are you? Hey. Hey, what are you doing? You're staring at the corner? You're staring at the world? What are you doing? Eat the world? Eat the world or something? Eat the noob? Huh? Eat the noob? Give me 557. Yay! Yay! Okay guys, so anyways guys, I'm not going to beat this game. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Give me extra B-soda. B-soda guys. Okay, so. Okay, B-soda. B-soda. Okay, come on. Go, 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 go. Who the heck are you? Oh, 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 oh. I'm beat this game. Uh-huh. This is the best YouTuber ever. Got only got $520. I guess some part of this. But I don't know what to get 100. I'm gonna get 10 days. I guess I go. Gonna make a long video. I guess. Okay. So what the heck? What the heck? Is that a shop? Shop. Only got a few dollars. What the heck? Is that Blue Eyes? I saw it from Blue Eyes. I guess. But only get day 3. Okay. So I am getting really old. I'm 13 years old. I'm getting 13-year old. I'm 13-year old. Some point of this. Okay. What the heck? Come on, where's the best? Okay, nothing there. They left enough money. They left enough money. Okay. There's no record, I think. Yes, there's no. Okay. I don't know. Well, I need to get another lantern at some point of this. What the heck? Give me another. Give me another lantern. Give me another lantern. I said, give me another. This game is so dumb. I hate this game. Dumb game. Bro, I hate this. Come on, please. Please, I need to run faster. Come on. I know I'm going to. I'm going to get money. Okay, so I understand. Oh. Uh-huh. You show me. I'm rich. Give me, I'm rich, okay? Give me. Who? Who are you? Huh? Oh! No! No! No, I lose my day! No! No! No, I lose my day! Oh my gosh, I lose my day 3. No! 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 Okay. That's good. That's good. That's the bad thing, this. Bro, what the heck? Bro, I just lost my day. What the heck? Try me. What the heck? No. No! Are you kidding me, Gav? Oh my god, I hate this game. This game is so weird. I hate this. Are you kidding me? Dude, they always doing this. Come on, go, go, go. Nah. You can't. Can't. You're faking it. You're faking the game. You're faking the game, I guess. You weirdo ass. You weirdo, huh? You try me. You're the goodest the game in the world, huh? Gimme. Gimme. Get. Come on! I hate this game. Go, 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 go. Please, 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 please. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on. I need to close the door quickly, quickly. Go, 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 go. Oh my god. It made me scared. It made me scared, I think. A bit scared, I think, is, but it's gonna be made me fear. Come on, go, 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 go. What the heck's wrong with this game? What? Nothing happens, huh? Haha! You weirdo! You can't beat this game, you can't beat this game. Yeah, it's out of this game as well. That's right. Beat this game. I don't like this game. I don't want to show that anymore. What the heck is that? I don't know. Okay. So now go to survive, guys. So only got day 1. So we need to get day 2, guys. We need to get day 2. Some point. Only got 15 minutes or 18 minutes, I guess. Only 18 minutes ago. 18 minutes ago. So that is, it's New Year. That's New Year. I'm gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine because it's the New Year. I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna talk very very fast. I'm gonna talking about this. Yeah, this they're gonna just speak English. Speak English. I guess. Only English or Spanish. You know, when we first, you're gay. You're gay, gay. You're gay. You gay. Oh, huh? Where is it? Where are you, huh? Where are you? Huh? You try me and go to kiss you all. No. 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 Guess what you doing, huh? What you doing, huh? Try me? Oh, huh. Ooh, ha, ha. I'm so pro. I'm so pro. Yeah. Get a big pro. Come on, yes. Come on. Where are you, Jeff? Where are you, Jeff? Where are you, Jeff? Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Please, please, please. Okay, guys. Gonna beat this game, guys. We're going to beat up the Jeff. Okay, my house survived. This could be my house. My house forever. My biggest house ever because I'm going to just doing this, or something. Okay, only got day 2. Day 2. We only got day 2. Yes, we can just only get 20 minutes. 20 minutes ago. 20 minutes ago or something else, okay? So, honest guys, I'm not gonna be kind of very long video. So, we're going to keep boarding once again. So, and that is, I like this game. So, please subscribe to my channel. My other channel, please subscribe. If you want to see more videos also, make sure to like and subscribe to my other channel. So, please subscribe, okay? I like this game. I like this game for a while. I like this game. Yes, I like this game. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put the lantern somewhere in there. Okay, sure. I like this lantern. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. No! No! You, oh my goodness. You just finished me. You just finished me. Stop finishing me. I got, I only got $533. Okay. I'm gonna do this, guys. Come on. Guys, I'm gonna make a long video. I'm gonna make 2 hours. And come on, we're gonna able to do this, guys. We're gonna able to do this, guys. So, anyways, guys, I'm not going to this side. I'm gonna go a little faster. So, anyways, guys, I'm not going to just boarding once again. So, anyways, I'm gonna just keep pulling boarding once again. So, it will literally go back to the thing. Okay, that's the flood. This the flood. What the heck is wrong with you, Gabe? You finished me? I will finish you. You're telling me if I just sporting, I turn around and just have you just near to it. What the heck's wrong with you, Gabe? No, Mama Blue, huh? Mama Blue. My parents will finish me, huh? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. You're cute. You're so dumb, huh? Oh no, achoo, achoo. Damn, I hate this. Oh my god, oh my goodness. No, you're gonna waste the time, okay? I'm gonna use the medkit, I guess. I'm throwing up this. Only got healing, we need to heal with a medkit or something else, so this could be the doctor, I guess. Doctor, extra items, I guess. Comfort item, okay? Need to attack more, death, so I need to attack the game. Oh, my gap is so strong. I'm going to hit 4 times. 4 times in a row. 4 times ago. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Heck. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. What the heck? Where's it? What the heck? Okay, I need to some point. I need to just get the item circle. Yes. Only got the extra money. Okay, okay. Only got $543. Oh my gosh. Tell me, huh? Kinda weird, huh? Your voice is weird. What if your voice is gonna be, realistic or well? I don't know. Maybe it's just a tricycle or something, a car. Let me know in the comments section my best spot by gift. So please subscribe to my channel, okay? You gift, huh? Gift. Me. Gift. You are simple. You are simple, huh? Hey, Jeff, you are simple. You are simple. You are also a simple. Oh, huh? Simple. You're so female. You're a male. I think the guest is look like a male. The guy looks like my dad or something else. And I'm going to consider boarding in a second. So, I like this game. Let's take my phone. Okay. I like this game. I like this game. I like this game, guys. Like, I didn't board something else. What the heck is wrong with you? You dumb. You dumb cat. I don't care. I don't care without this. I don't care without you. Because of this thing, I don't care without this. Nah. No. Do not get Lobot. Do not get Lobot, okay? Don't get Lobot, please. I'm gonna make a long video, okay? Okay. What the heck? It just started, okay? What the heck? It started! Oh my goodness. I'm gonna speak English. English and Philippines. Ever move first? It's gay. I don't know. What English or Spanish. Okay. Do not ruin my day, girl. You never tried. Come on. Uno. You never cried, huh? Come on. Do not end. Do not end, okay? Also, we're not progress in this. Bro, I just... Oh my gosh, the day is gonna be ended. Oh my gosh. This could be the big new update in this game. They updated it, okay? The developers are updated it, okay? What the heck? What the heck? Come on. Also, I like car. I like car better. Better than this, my mom. My mom said yes, she will get a car. And I'm misbehaved. My mom said no, she will not get a car. So that is, it's gonna mean, I hate this game. I hate this game for a while, guys. Give me 100, please. Alright. You don't want to pay, okay? Yes, or talking. No. 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 Give me the girl on time, please. Go, 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 go. Come on, go. No. No, you're trying me, huh? You're trying me. Try me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, please. Oh my god, please, 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 please. Oh, come on. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Help. They gave me lagging. I hate this. I'm gonna end. How can I end? I can't end. Help! I can't. No. No, I can't. It's illegal. I can't. Oh my god. I can't. Oh my god, I hate this. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. Come on. Oh my goodness, my tablet's now fake. This could be the fake tablet. I hate this. Yeah, I'm not fake. Hello, fake tablet. Fake tablet. Hello, fake. It's fake. I can't. It's not fake. Hala ka. Yung screen. Oh my goodness. How? Huh? What just happened?
Not in resisting arrest, it's resisting giving in.
Help! Hala, fake tablet. Fake! Oh my god. Bro, what just happened, guys? What just happened? Why does the game look silly? Silly games in the world, guys. So, anyways, guys, I don't like this game for a while, so I'm going to just look into it. But I don't know what to cover this. And because of this low bat, only got the lowest thing, a battery in the world. So, anyways, guys, I'm not going to play. What can I play now? What can I play, guys? I'm gonna make a very long video. How? Can I make it? Okay, so we're going to just see the Roblox to take this. Developers are in a Roblox character in the world. Only I'm Baldi's business and education learning, but I need to just I don't know, I need just to just continue. I guess, but I need to just wait until the thing. But I need to just use the avatar. I don't know what it is. I don't know because all the characters are in, okay? Come on. Come on. Bro, what the heck is wrong with this game? Come on. Let's go to the party. And let's go to someone else. To the somewhere else. I like to speak someone else. And this Spike speak somewhere else. But I need to make a long video, okay? So I don't stress. Okay. Hi. I like you, but please subscribe. Okay, so what did I just say that? Huh? Huh? Hi. What? Wait. Wait, hold on. Wait. What the heck? What the heck? You message. What the heck? How can I message it? Okay, what the heck is wrong with this game? I like this. You? What is up, huh? January. You play Squid Game? I'm gonna play Squid Game, guys. Oh. How about let's play beta? I don't know the quest. Okay, so I only got 30 minutes ago. 30 minutes ago, we're gonna play beta. So I'm gonna play, yeah. I'm gonna play tomorrow. I'm gonna play later from now on. So I'm gonna play gift. So, anyways, guys, if you want to share more videos on channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So, anyways, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Also, guys, if you want to share more videos on channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So, please comment me, share, and like this video. So, also, guys, goodbye.